Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on Exp25 Excel AppCapstone IntroAssessment travel instructions. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assignment without any confusion. If you need any help with MyITLab IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assignment and go through it step by step. Here is a assignment. There are total 32 questions of this assessment. Here is the title of assignment: Exp25 Excel AppCapstone IntroAssessment Travel. Here is a project description. Now move to the question number 1. The question number 1 is: start Excel, download and open the file named Exp25 Excel AppCapstone IntroAssessment Travel. Grader has automatically added to your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically, in this question you will have to download the Excel workbook from Pearson MyITLab IT dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from MyITLab IT dashboard. Here is a file. You can see that first we enable the editing. Washington DC Memorial Visitors. You will have to download this file from MyITLab IT dashboard. Now move to the question number 1. Question number 2. Question number 2 is: one worksheet has the original default name, sheet 1. You want to give the worksheet a meaningful name. Rename sheet 1 as Memorial. Basically, in this question you will have to rename the sheet 1 and set the name as Memorials. First we click on this sheet 1, then right click on this, then click on rename, then write a name Memorials. Question number 2 are done now. Now move to the next question. Question number 3. You want to move the year completed column between the Memorial and 2009 columns. Select and cut column F. Insert cut cells in cell B1. First you will have to select and cut column F and insert cut cells in the cell B1. Move to the Excel workbook. You will go to the year column. First we select this column and go to the home tab, then click on the scissor option for cut, or simply you can use the shortcut Ctrl X for cut, and insert cut cells in cell B1. Then go to the Excel workbook, click on B1 cell and right click on this and insert cut cells. Question number 3 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 4. And now you want to separate the worksheet title and source from the data set with a blank row. Insert a blank row between row 2 and row 3. Basically, in this question you will have to insert a blank row between these two rows. First we select this row, then click on insert button. You will see that the new row will added on the top of row 4. Question number 4 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 5. Now you are ready to work with the DC 2024 worksheet. Your first task is to correct spelling errors. Display the DC 2024 worksheet, check the spelling and correct all misspelled words. In this question you will have to check the spelling errors in this worksheet. DC 2024. First we go to the review tab, then click on spelling section, click on yes, spell check complete and click OK. Question number 5 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 6. Continue using the DC 2024 worksheet. You will format the headings on row 4. Select the range A4 to G4, wrap the text, apply center horizontal alignment and apply dark blue text to lighter 90% and fill color. First we select the range A4 to G4. Now move to the workbook. First we type a range, select this, wrap the text. First we go to the home tab, then click on wrap text, apply center horizontal alignment. You will go to the alignment section, then click on this center alignment and apply dark blue text to lighter 90% fill color. Go to the workbook, click on the colors, dark blue, click on question number 6 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 7. You now want to format the title so that it is more prominent. Merge and center the title in the range A1 to G1. Apply dark teal accent 1 cell style and bold to the title. Basically in this question you will have to merge and center the title in the range A1 to G1. Go to the workbook, A1 to G1. First we select this range A1 to G1. Then you will go to the merge and center, click on this drop down and click on merge and center. You will see that the title are in the center line. Then next is apply dark teal accent 1 cell style. Then go to the home tab and click on cell styles, cell style. Now move to the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 is, the first column is too narrow for the names of the memorials. You will increase the width to display the full memorial names. Basically in this question the first column of this data are too narrow. You will have to increase the width and to display the full memorial's name, and then change the width of column A to 34. Now move to the workbook. Click first we select the column, first column, then right click on this, then click on column width, then you will have to set width 34, then click OK. Question number 8 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 9. Question number 9 is, spark lines provide visual representation of data. You will insert spark lines for the data set. Select the range C5 to F10 and insert lines, spark lines in the range G5 to G10. Basically in this question you will have to select the range C5 to F10. Now we'll move to the workbook and select this range and insert lines, spark lines in the range G5 to G10. First you will have to go to the insert tab, then click on this line button and data range C5 to F10 and location range in the range G5 to G10. This range you will have to add this range G5 to G10. Then press OK and you can see that the spark lines are inserted in trend column. Question number 9 are completed. Now move to the next question, question number 10. Question number 10 is that now you will format the spark lines select the range G5 to G10, display the high point spark line marker and change the color of the high point markers to dark red. First you will have to select the range G5 to G10, then display the high point spark lines. First you select the range G5 to G10, then display the high point spark line marker. First you will go to the spark line, then you will have to check this box high point and go to the instruction file and change the color of the high point markers to dark red, and you will have to click this marker color and select color dark red, this one. Question number 10 are completed. Now move to the next question, question number 11. Question number 11 is you want to create a chart that compares the number of visitors for each memorial. Select the range A4 to A10 and C4 to F10 and create a clustered column chart. Apply the monochromatic palette 9 orange gradient light to dark chart color. Apply the gradient fill to the chart area and select the light gradient. Accent 1 preset gradient. Do not change any other gradient setting. Our first part is select the range A4 to A10 and then select the range C4 to F10 and create a clustered column chart. You will go to the workbook. First we select this range and second range C4 to F10, C4 to F10 and then create a clustered column chart. Then you will go to the insert tab, then click on this drop down chart section and click on this drop down. Can click on all charts, then column, then clustered column and click on this. Apply the monochromatic palette 9. First you will have to select this chart, then click on change color and select monochromatic palette and select this orange gradient light to dark color. Our next part is apply the gradient fill to the chart area and select the light gradient. Accent 1 preset gradient. First we select this chart and right click on this, then click on format chart area, then click on fill, gradient fill, then click on preset gradients, light gradient accent 1, click on this. Question number 11 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 12. The chart displays over the data. You will move it below the dataset and adjust its size. In addition, you will add alt text for accessibility compliance. Cut the chart and paste it in cell A13. Change the chart height to 6 and the chart width to 7. Add alt text. The chart shows the number of visitors to each memorial, including the period. First, you will have to select and cut this. Select and go to the home tab, then cut this. Cut and paste in the cell. Change the chart height to 6. You select this chart, then you will go to the format tab, then go to the size section, then height, six, and the chart width to 7, and you will increase the and 7, and add alt text. The chart shows the number of visitors to each memorial. Alt text. Right click on this, format, then alt text. Simply you can copy the same text to this alt text field, or you will type the chart shows the number of visitors. The chart shows the number of visitors to each memorial. All text are done now. Question number 12 are completed. Now move to the next question. Question number 13. Question number 13 is the chart needs a meaningful title. In addition, you want to format the axis and add grid lines. Change the chart title to annual visitors. Apply dark blue font color and bold to the chart title. Apply dark blue font color to the category axis labels. Change the value axis. Display units to millions. First, you will have to change the chart title, annual visitors. Then click on the chart title. You can simply remove this default text and add a chart title, annual visitors. Then the next part is apply dark blue font color. Select this text, then go to the home tab, then click on this colors. Click on dark blue and bold to the chart title and click on bold. Apply dark blue font color to the category axis labels. This is on this category axis labels. Click on this and select the color dark blue and change the value axis display units to millions. First you will click on select this and right click on this and format axis and scroll down, and then you will see that display units to millions. Now move to the instruction file. Question number 13 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 14. Question number 14 is you want to add data labels for one data series. Apply data labels to the outside end position of the 2024 data series, apply number format with 1 decimal place to the data labels. First you will have to apply data labels to the outside and position of the 2024 data series. Now move to the workbook. First you will have to select the data, then click on this add button, then click on data labels, then inside outside and then apply the number format. Click on data labels and font size, and then change the number format to 1 decimal place, then close this tab. Question number 14 are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 15. Now you are ready to focus on the places worksheet. First you will find an abbreviation and replace it with a city name. Display the places worksheet. Find all occurrences of boss and replace them with Boston. First you will have to find all occurrences. Click on places worksheet, find all occurrences of boss. So you will click on find and select and click on replace. First you will find boss and replace them with Boston and replace with Boston. Replace with all done. We have made 13 replacements. Then close this, then go to the instruction file. Question number 15 are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 16. You decide to convert the data set to a table, assign a name to the table and apply a table style. Convert the data to a table, assign the table name, tourist attractions and apply turquoise table style light 12. First we convert the data to a table, assign the table name. First you will have to select the whole data, use the key Control A, then go to the insert tab, then click on insert table and assign a name tourist attractions. You will go to the property section, then you can see that the table name, first we assign a table name tourist attraction, and apply turquoise table style. Then you will click on this and select the required style turquoise. Select this. Question number 16 are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 17. Question number 17 is the table on the places worksheet is large. As you scroll through the table, you want the headings to remain on screen. Freeze the top row. Move to the workbook. First we select this header view tab, then click on freeze panes, freeze top rows. Question number 17 are done now. Now move to the next question, question number 18. You decide to rearrange the data to cluster the memorials by city and then by location. Sort the table by city in alphabetical order and then by sightseeing locations in alphabetical order. Sort the table by city. You will go to the home tab, then sort and filter, then click on custom sort by city, sort the table by city and then by sightseeing. Click on this, then we'll choose the sightseeing. Click on the sightseeing locations, then press OK. Question number 18 are completed now. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA and many other countries. If you need any help with this task or your complete course, feel free to reach out me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price. Now I will show you the grades of this assessment. I have uploaded the solution file to the portal. Now I will show you the grades of this assessment. And you can see that I have got 95% out of 100.